Many people forget their pattern lock and they become forced to do a factory reset, which erases all your data. Here's another method where you can bypass pattern lock without losing your data. Connect your phone to your Windows computer using USB. Here we are using Android Debug Bridge, that is ADB. Usually ADB comes with Android SDK and it's a very big file. Here we need only ADB, so I'm giving you a separate file. Please find link in description. It's 15 seconds ADB installer from XDA developers. You can see this description, and in down you can see download links. I'm choosing here Google Drive and I'm choosing version 1.3. Here's the Google Drive page. Just hit download. I have already downloaded this, and just run the downloader file, that is adbsetup.exe. It requires administrator privileges. Just click yes. Now to last, do you want to install ADB and fastfood? In keyboard, press Y and hit enter. Install ADB system wide. Again press Y and hit enter. Do you want to install device drivers? And again press Y and hit enter. Now just click next, then just finish. Now our ADB is installed and all the drivers are also installed. Now just copy this command, ADB command, which I gave in description, and open your command prompt and just paste there. It's all done. If you are seeing any device not found or anything like that, just please reconnect your device through USB, and now restart. Just reboot your phone. Now you won't see that pattern lock. If it is still seeing that pattern lock, just try some random pattern lock or something. Using ADB, we have already removed that pattern lock. Thank you. This is all you have to do to remove the pattern lock. Subscribe us for more videos.